People are just judgmental. Okay. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am pretty sure you're surprised कि यहाँ लोग हैं इस channel पर. We are also surprised. But these are my friends. This is Lisha. This is Ishwarya.
Hi.
And I put up a story on my Instagram and I asked you guys कि हमें would you rather questions भेजो. So this video, because we've collaborated on all of our channels, we speak a lot collectively. I think individually also.
I think if they watch all three of our videos, it's going to be like a 1.5 to 2 hour documentary.
It'll be like a marathon.
We did a secrets video on her channel, and then we did an assumptions tag on hers, and now we're doing a would you rather on mine.
अरे वाह, तुझे सारे आते हैं.
मेरे को तो शुरू से याद थे, इन्हीं दोनों को confusion थी, पता नहीं किस बात की.
You were undecided till the very
मैंने story में बोल के tag करा है दोनों को. Anyway, this is going to be the energy of the entire video. We're going to talk over each other. We don't mean it in any disrespectful way. It's personality. It's a personality issue. Okay.
No, we hate each other, but we're only collaborating for views.
You'll know more about it on
If you
your
watch
channel.
Lisha's video.
Okay, chalo, we're going to start because we have to wrap up and then we have to go eat food.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
have
Okay.
more dinner.
Okay, ठीक है. Would you rather be living on top of a mountain or living by the sea?
By the sea. Oh, jinx.
By the sea.
What about you?
Me too. By the sea.
I'm a beach person.
I'm a 60-40 person. 60 beach, 40 mountains. I do
Yeah.
love the mountains as well.
Yeah.
But if I'm given a choice, then I'm gonna take.
मतलब
the
मुझे
beach.
mountains पे air drop कर दो, I'm good with it. I can't do the road travel.
Oh, that is the most
Motion
fun.
sickness.
No.
But मेरे को
I have
motion
motion
sickness
sickness.
Dude,
I can't do it.
really? Road trips are the
मुझे
most fun.
मुझे ड्राइव करने दो या आगे बिठाओ तो ठीक है क्योंकि मोशन
हाँ.
सिकनेस में आप पीछे नहीं
नहीं
बैठ
बैठ
सकते.
सकते.
So you can take a anti-sickness tablet and
I do. Even
You
then
sleep
I'm
with that. मैंने लिया था.
I
हम
can't
लोग सब
sleep
गए
on
थे.
road trips also.
नहीं, वो नींद आ
These
जाती है.
tablets ना they
हाँ.
knock you out.
Okay, right.
There's no other way to be like.
And plus I
okay.
feel like hills पे at least in North India washroom options ज़्यादा नहीं है. And लंबी journey होती है.
नहीं मुझे इतनी
11, 12
सर्दी
hours
नहीं
easily.
पसंद. I can't. इसलिए
So
मैं
that's why you
पहाड़
go
पे
in
नहीं
June,
रह
July ना ताकि सर्दी वहाँ पे
वो
हो
बोल
यहाँ पे
रहे
नहीं हो.
वो रहने के लिए बोल रहे हैं ना. तो
अच्छा
mountain
रहना
पे
हाँ
भी रह सकते हैं.
रह नहीं सकते हाँ रहना.
I'll take the sun at the
कुछ
sun.
भी सर्दी तो करना ही नहीं
Quick,
होता.
let's make this quick.
Yes.
इसमें हम भाषण भी देने वाले हैं.
Yes. Would you not rather not brush your teeth or your hair for the rest of your life?
Hair. I already don't brush my hair.
Hair.
I also have wavy hair. I can
Yeah.
manage without.
I mean, messy buns are already a trend, so
Right.
I think we'll be
Not brushing your teeth
How
forever.
is that gonna happen? Like
Never.
I already just crunch my hair and I'm like done.
Listen, we like each other, but अगर हम तीनों में से किसी ने एक ने भी बोला होता ना कि not brush my teeth, we would have been like, listen, let's make a separate group.
I don't know you.
I don't know this.
First time इसके साथ collab नहीं करेंगे.
Would you rather eat all and not get fat or not wear lipstick ever?
Not wear lipstick ever. I'm not wearing. I'm giving up lipstick for food.
हाँ ना?
क्या है?
No, no, but she said, would you rather eat all and not get fat or
Eat
not?
all. Eat all.
मतलब एक
But
option
eat
is
everything.
eat everything and not get fat या तो जिंदगी में लिपस्टिक में रहो तो if you
No,
want you want to be
obviously.
alone.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about lipstick. I'll put lip
Exactly.
liner or lip tints or blush or eyeshadow or
I
whatever.
don't
बीटरूट ले लो. बीटरूट टका के यार अपने लिप्स पे लगा लो.
मैं
Manage कर
जिंदगी
लो.
भर नहीं रहूंगी लिपस्टिक किसी भी लुक के साथ. You prefer to live would you rather prefer to live alone like lavishly or with friends or fam but like a simpler lifestyle, lesser
With
ones,
friends or
stuff like
family.
I guess with friends and family.
that. I mean,
Life is better with people.
People
you love.
I think a
Humans
lot of
need
people
human
will
connection.
choose the alone option as well.
that depends on the kind of person. Like if
Yeah.
that's your personality.
But what will I do with a lavish, comfortable lifestyle when I don't have anyone to share it with?
Yeah,
I think मैं lonely हो जाऊंगी.
यार यहाँ पे
No, but I think it makes sense for some years of your life. That it's not like you're going to be alone forever. If you have an option of living for 2 years by yourself with the fullest luxuries.
I still want my friends around.
But I guess that in
I
that
think
case
it's a
it'll be-
person to
हाँ,
person
it's a very
Yeah.
person to person.
So which
thing.
one are you choosing?
I think I'll still choose the friends and family one.
This is weird and interesting at the same time. Would you rather have a child at 18 or not even have a child ever? Like not have a child ever.
Not have a child ever.
Same.
I don't think I would be able to give the child a good life at the age of 18.
What you can adopt children later. Can you
Exactly.
like not have children ever? If you didn't have it at 18, you cannot biologically become a mother ever. Then maybe I'll do it at 18. But if I can adopt later, then I would choose adoption later.
Live without phone or live without food? Phone.
We can't live without food.
You can't on a
Yeah.
But I
biological
can't live
level.
without my phone either. I mean biologically yeah, but अगर तुम casually तो I can't live without my phone.
Khana, I think.
But
I'll
you
figure out
can't-
some way or the
You
other.
cannot. The question is between phone and food.
But sustenance छोड़ो ना.
Hypothetically, सब कुछ hypothetically.
But अगर choose करना हो आज के दिन में खाना खाओ या phone.
But खाने में
खाना
कितनी
खाना।
वैरायटी है. मैं पिज्जा खा सकती हूँ, बर्गर खा सकती हूँ, समोसे
वो
खा सकती हूँ,
खाने में देखो ऐश्वर्या has like
खा
खाना.
सकती हूँ मैं.
Now talk to
Chinese
me.
खा सकती हूँ, Italian खा सकती हूँ, Mexican खा
Look
सकती
at
हूँ.
her eyes, she's just like hypnotizing something. I'm feeling so comfortable. मेरा मन
हाँ यार यही ऐसा लग रहा है यही खाना वाना खा के लेट जाने का मन करता है.
ये लोग पागल है. Oh, would you rather have horrible skin or be bald for life? Bald.
Oh, this is so difficult.
I'll be bald.
I
Happy
don't
bald.
think this face can deal with a bald head. I don't have any, you know, like jawline, no high cheekbones.
मेरे भी नहीं है, but मैं I'll be bald.
I potato.
Bald with good skin, rocket. I
I don't think I can deal with that.
I'll be happy bald.
And you can wear wigs.
हाँ.
And you can't think that long now. It has to be फटाफट you have to give
No,
answer.
but I can't deal
I'm
with that.
terrorized.
I'm to giving answers like this. I'll be
अच्छा.
bald.
With like इतनी लंबी mile long explanation.
मेरा explanation आंसर देने के बाद आता है ना. ये सोचती है पहले कि मैं क्या ऐसा
I
हो.
can't decide. I really put myself in this situation.
It's hypothetical. It's not gonna happen to you. So just
Let's you guys are going with bald?
Yeah.
Let's be bald.
let's be.
It's
We're
fine.
being bald because we work as a group now. We work as a trio
We're a
now.
clique.
Yeah.
Because I can't decide. It's just too much.
हमसे
I want to
हो ही
skip
नहीं
this
पा रहा है।
question.
अब ये खत्म है. चलो खत्म
खत्म
कर
करें यार. 10 बज गए यार. जल्दी करो जल्दी. 10 बज गए.
एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं then we get talking. Then we're like अरे fuck it यार खा लेंगे ऐसी कौन सी बड़ी बात है. One really funny thing my friend said. She said I watch my own stories like I don't know what's going to happen next.
How is that possible?
And I was like that's the
इतने
most
interesting.
that's the most hilarious thing I've ever heard. How कहती मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ पता नहीं मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या होगा. I was like bro ये
Like you try to imagine you are the viewer and how will a viewer feel when
No, I'm pretty sure she's already delusional till then. फिर उसको मालूम है कि मेरे को क्या पता कुछ अलग दिख जाए.
YouTube पे option है ना viewer subscriber. So
Okay. Now we are not going to give you context, and we're going to open the room for a little more judgment. So we're going to do this rapid fire style. And rapid fire.
where is our coffee hamper? Shraddha, you coffee freak.
This
And there
bitch
is
does
no
not
coffee
drink
hamper.
coffee. She had the audacity to tell me, I don't have coffee apart from one
But where is
thing.
the coffee hamper?
तू मिलानो कॉफी तेरे को दूंगी मैं.
हाँ.
तो लेके जाइए.
मैं जीती अगर rapid
इसको
fire.
मैं भेजूंगी नहीं. तो there is no जीतना. मेरा आंसर इज द सेम. हम जीतेंगे भी कैसे? हम जीत भी नहीं सकते.
Next
खाना
time
मुझे मिलेगा ही
next
नहीं.
time we
मैं
come
जीत
over-
कैसे भी गई हूँ.
Next time we come over to Shraddha's place, we'll do a rapid fire. ठीक है, you be the judge
But
and
we-
give us a hamper.
हाँ ठीक है.
Major thing is you give the hamper.
I will give hamper. Okay. ऐश्वर्या को जाके पहले lashes चुरा लेते, फिर I will make hamper. I was like, first let me take
Actually
my
plan
lighter.
अभी भी चल रहा है. मुझे लगा भूल गए आप इस बारे में.
She said she doesn't use the lighter ones, and I am the bitch that can use the lighter ones among these two. So निशा को थोड़ा problematic हो सकता
I feel like
है.
if you're wearing lashes then you might as well just commit and wear the biggest, boldest, baddest lash.
Listen, this one is the biggest, boldest, baddest for me. Okay. This is a bit too much. This is
No, I
pushing.
think I look nice. Have you tried?
I have tried ना, but मेरे वो makeup ही नहीं दिखता, आँखें नहीं दिखती, बस lash दिखती है.
Different
Okay.
shapes. Shoot.
Rapid fire. Rapid
Different
fire.
shapes. Shoot different people.
ठीक है, what she said. Okay, now we're doing this quick. Would you rather have a bad smelling mouth for the rest of your life or eat poop for the rest of your life? Bad smelling mouth.
Bad smelling mouth, dude.
What the fuck is eating poop? Lisha, you haven't answered rapid
don't
fire.
like
I can't do both.
इसको hamper नहीं देंगे.
I can't do both.
मेरे को कौन सा मिल रहा है? I don't like these questions. I don't like these questions.
Would you rather have bad breath or smelly feet? Smelly
What is up with these people with bad breath?
feet. Rapid fire, फटाफट.
Bad breath or smelly feet?
हाँ.
Smelly feet.
Smelly feet.
I'll go with the majority because
Smelly feet.
can't
हाँ.
pick.
अरे क्योंकि you can cover it up.
You
no?
can cover it up.
मुंह कैसे अभी मास्क में नहीं फिर खुद को ही. That's also a problem. Okay, be part of खतरों के खिलाड़ी और Big Boss.
Big Boss.
खिलाड़ी.
Big boss.
I
Rapid fire.
have said no to one of them already. So I'm going
Yeah.
to say
Even I have a big
no,
boss.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Really?
Yeah.
You said I love the show.
हाँ, even I
Yeah,
have.
that's what I'm saying ना. Big
But I
Boss
feel like
है.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी is more about sports and adventure.
But I
and
feel
things
like I
that.
won't be able to
Big
survive
Boss
in
is more
खतरों
about
के
drama.
खिलाड़ी.
I
मतलब
won't be
मेरे
able to
ऊपर
survive.
creepy crawlies डाल दे मैं तो वहीं
Yeah,
पे
creepy
सोचूं।
crawlies is the only thing that I can't take. Otherwise, I
No,
will
I
be
can't take
I'll be
अंधेरा.
fine with doing other sport.
I don't think I'm fit enough to actually survive. Mentally I am fit, physically I am not.
Can't do it.
But it's so much more fun. Like Big Boss, I can't even imagine.
But I think
But Big Boss is all about drama, yeah.
मुझे तो बुलाया मुझे यार I need an offer I can reject. What the hell? Be itchy or be sticky for the rest of your life. Sticky. This woman has talked about what
I
not.
hate these questions.
इसके secrets पेज उसने हमें बुलवाई है चीजें.
हाँ.
And now you're like अरे itchy and sticky I can't.
Those things are not happening to me. This is happening to me.
Sticky would be a
But
bothering
ping pong
thing
in
for
your-
someone else.
No, but why would it?
Let's
if you
not
are,
say more.
If you are sticky
Watch your
and
video.
you do this and you do this, everything is sticky.
But
This
itchy
is
like
better
always itching, you know, like हर जगह itchy.
कुछ आ भी है इसको sympathy itching हो रही है. I know people who are like you tell
No,
me-
but itching and yawning, if you see someone yawn or itch, you have to do it yourself. It's just something you not itchy.
I would be sticky. I don't want to cause that consequence for anyone else in their
I
life.
don't like this question, but I'll be sticky.
Okay. Would you stay? Okay, I like this question.
इतने तो सारे हैं.
Would you stay single and lonely or taken in a draining relationship?
क्या तुम्हारा बोलो?
Single and lonely
हाँ.
or taken but in a draining relationship.
Single and lonely anytime.
Be with a guy who's poor but has time for you, or with the one with no time but has everything to give.
But no time and everything. What will I do with everything else if he's not there with me?
So that's the point of being with your
But then if he's
significant
poor,
other.
you're taking care of him.
Yeah.
Not necessarily. You can both be poor at the same time.
So both
Leave
both
despicable life. Leave
Both are
miserable. It together they're poor and miserable and
God.
slightly hateful too towards people, but that's okay because you're doing it together. Be miserable together, but don't let anyone else kill you.
So that's what we are going with all of us.
Have you guys seen? There was this. I don't know what show it was. Something.
Where the girls take the decision.
They had the same mind. They had the same mind, and then these people were working.
But you know, like the next time I can't take a decision, I'll ping you guys in the group.
we'll
come
collectively be
to a decision
indecisive about it.
I'll be like, I don't like this.
No, Nisha will be like, what do I eat for dinner? Ishwarya is like, now I'm also confused. I'm like, I'm also not eating dinner only.
I
This
think
is
these
this
other
time.
questions will really fuck up your mind.
Haan, because you're like, okay, so right now I'm sitting in water and I have to decide if I want to sit on ice or if I want to sit on fire.
And I'm sticky with bad breath and bad smelling.
At least we're doing it together because we're selecting the same answers.
I'm hungry, or you have to pick either eat or
You can't even judge the other
with a
person.
poor partner.
Or someone who doesn't have time for you.
My head is hurting. No, I have to try. I have to focus. Let's go. Okay, 2 more questions. Last 2 questions. You have to do it. I'm gonna ask you.
We'll see, Shraddha, we'll see.
I would ask you first. Okay, would you rather have head lice or have acne for the rest of your life? Acne.
Really?
Yeah.
I would choose headlights.
Thank
No,
God
itchy
for
all
answering
all
fast.
day long. No, but you can sort that out. Medical, what was the
But acne
shampoo
भी
that
तो कर
you
पाएगी.
use?
You can sort everything.
Acne also.
But acne is difficult.
What?
to sort,
So
यार.
look at it कि या तो acne रहेगा
अरे
ही रहेगा,
लेकिन-
lice रहेगा ही रहेगा.
पहली बार उसने
You can't
answer
be
किया
it.
एक बार में.
Actually, जिंदगी भर I cannot get rid of the lice.
Yeah.
It's
But
an
now you're
extreme
stuck with it you've already chosen.
No, but
This
then
time
I
we
feel
have
I can
acne
cure
or lice.
I can cure. ऐसे तो यार गंजे भी नहीं
One
हो
of us will be bald.
अगर तुम गंजे हो गए तो ये भी bald नहीं पहन सकते हो.
We'll have acne.
I'm okay with that.
And we'll come with a head.
I want better skin. I want better skin than hair.
You want head lice?
No.
No, but then
The
you
other
cannot
question
wear
she's
a wig if
asking.
you get bald also, na?
Aishwarya doesn't think of this as extreme only. She's playing some other game. She's not playing only
No,
this
she's
game.
like, this is law of attraction. मैं बोलूँगी तो हो जाएगा.
No, I mean, how can I get out of this situation?
You know what? I'll have to add subtitles. Aishwarya, this dialogue. Nisha, this dialogue. Me, this dialogue. Because people can't make out from the 3 of us screaming at each other.
I think they can. This is how they talk to their girlfriends as well.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay, last question. नहीं हो गया. हैं?
But सारे questions हैं. No, this is fun. You
Okay.
keep going. You can select the best
Last
ones.
वाला आसान है. No. एक difficult, एक आसान. Would you rather shoot videos every day or edit videos every day?
Shoot videos.
Shoot.
I don't like.
No explanation.
Shoot.
No
No explanation necessary.
Okay. Last question, which is very difficult. ice creams or chocolates? You can
Ice
only
cream,
choose.
ice cream. Very easy for me.
Same.
Ice cream.
Same.
Wow, we're like
I had
always
to-
answering like the same
Yeah.
thing.
We are so cool. We did it right.
We're
right
on
at
the
the
same
end.
tangent.
We fucked up the whole
एक
video.
और पूछ ले.
एक दो और है.
ऐसे ये 2-3 जल्दी
You're
जल्दी.
a bit of confidence now. पूरा
We
video
finally
का
figured out how to do this video right.
This
You
is
ask second question. No, ask me ice cream or chocolate. I'll tell you I like ice
this
cream.
is the second card we're using for this video. Holy hell. Okay, have money or have time?
Have
time.
money.
Money.
I like my peace of mind. Time, yes. Okay. Would you rather diet for a month or eat cheeseburger pizza daily?
Diet for a month.
Diet for a month.
I don't like cheese. I'm lactose
Same here.
intolerant.
I'm also lactose intolerant.
I can't do cheese burst pizza every
I
day.
anyway don't like cheeseburger pizza.
Me too.
I don't like diets. I think they're very restrictive.
We
and
like cheeseburger pizzas every day.
मतलब अब डाइट और इसमें ऑप्शन दोगे तो मैं तो चीज़बर्गर पिज़्ज़ा ही खाऊंगी because I'm gonna get fat either way. I can breathe in air and I'll still gain weight, so I'm okay with that kind of lifestyle also. Honestly, would you rather be able to fly or be invisible? Fly.
Fly. I don't care about being invisible.
You are a joke. This one we have to be careful about.
I'm so
because what will you do? What will you
I
do?
will listen in on conversations and tell people ये influencers एक दूसरे को hate करते हैं.
Actually में. और सिर्फ
I can't
You
bother
feel
to listen to people even if I get to be invisible.
हाँ.
Then I don't want to listen.
No,
to
I rather
Out of
be
time.
invisible.
I want to fly.
Bro, motion sickness खत्म हो जाएगी उड़ सकती तो तू सोच
मैं already उड़ के आई हूँ.
Practical
I
सोच wow that's true
want to fly everywhere without any visas, passports,
No
borders.
traffic.
and hopefully
No
not
traffic.
bump into things also because I don't think we're capable like that
हाँ.
also हम लोग नहीं हैं इतना I think उड़ते उड़ते भी अरे यार वो कोने पे लग गई थी मैं पाँव में लग गई बिल्डिंग से थोड़ा सा स्क्रैच पड़ गया
No justification.
बिल्डिंग के ऊपर उड़ेगी ना, बिल्डिंग पे क्यों जाके उड़ेगी?
अरे ऐसा उड़ना पड़ा तो
What happened?
सीधा हवा में
Quick,
उड़ना, कुछ
क्या
नहीं
plan
करना,
है?
ऐसे उड़ना पड़ेगा.
ऐसे करके क्या मजा आएगा ऐसे करके तभी तो फील आएगी ना
तो ऐसे ऐसे तू ओशन के ऊपर कर लियो ना, जहाँ कुछ भी हो नहीं और वो फिक्शन नहीं होगा जहाँ.
अरे वो तो फिर
I'm not with these two rabbits वाले ocean में.
I want की बिल्डिंग के बीच
तो लेकिन जहाँ
ऐसे
तेरे सामने बिल्डिंग है, वहाँ पे तू ऐसे ऐसे करके
Hello.
उड़ेगी.
अरे क्योंकि
Back
बाकी
to the video.
जैसे न्यूयॉर्क की बिल्डिंग है
Rabbit
उसमें ऐसे ऐसे करना पड़ेगा ना
Skylight पे मत
एक मिनट मैं उड़ी
Skylight के ऊपर कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं मैं उड़ के मैं नोएडा में तो नहीं घूमूंगी उड़ के मैं न्यूयॉर्क ही चली जाती फिर उड़ना ही है
न्यूयॉर्क में बहुत pollution है.
वो तो यहाँ अरे दिल्ली में बोल रही तो पागल
You are talking to people from Delhi. न्यूयॉर्क में
यार,
कोई
नहीं,
नहीं.
मैं तो लंदन से आई हूँ.
हमको नहीं डर लगता पोल्यूशन से पोल्यूशन को तो कहाँ
दिल्ली के
pollution
एयर
होता है?
क्वालिटी इंडेक्स को हमसे डरना चाहिए.
तुम अभी भी जिंदा हो ये इंडियंस में कुछ है
My jaw is hurting from laughing so much.
Oh my god okay
But I
so
mean,
that
your
was it
choice.
for today's video guys subscribe to her channel don't subscribe to her channel she's confused in life she will make you confused also मेरे को भी ऐसा है
Don't put me in this situation.
unsubscribe मत कर देना please
I don't like these questions.
I don't like the questions.
बिग बॉस में जाके तो ये बोलती ना
I don't like the stars.
you gotta
Change the
change
stars
this for me I can't do this
Can't do this.
okay that was it for this video I hope you guys understood what we were trying to say because I'm pretty sure it must have been
We all must have just talked over each other.
हाँ वो डेसिबल लेवल पे सुनने में भी थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम करके देखना दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी शुड हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर बट थोड़ा पता नहीं चलता हम कहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं we had a lot of fun we did 2 more collabs one on her channel one on hers and if you would like to see this as a monthly occurrence please let us know we would love to spend more time with each other
Because we hate each other, let's not forget.
yeah I mean it's just
And we're desperate for
I can't
this.
stand the two so I have to make videos with them get it right that's what
That's how it works.
let us
We
know
make videos with people we don't
in
like.
the comments what you want to see what was your favorite thing what do you think about Aishwarya's indecisiveness and what do you think about our collective answers as well and we're going to see you in the next video in our next collab perhaps okay
Hopefully.
bye subscribe to